Welcome to Personal Capital.
Personal Capital is a popular financial tool that helps you organize your accounts and track your net worth. In this video, we'll guide you through the initial setup process, including connecting your accounts and exploring your net worth overview. Whether you're just starting out or aiming to better manage your finances, these steps are easy to follow.
Creating your Personal Capital account.
To get started, visit the Personal Capital website or app and select the option to sign up. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and provide some basic personal information. After confirming your account through email verification, log in to access the main dashboard. Now, you're ready to connect your financial accounts.
Connecting bank and investment accounts.
From your dashboard, choose the option to add an account. You'll see categories like checking, savings, credit cards, investments, and retirement accounts. Search for your financial institution. Enter your secure login information and allow Personal Capital to connect automatically. Repeat the process for each account you wish to track, ensuring a complete financial picture.
Reviewing and categorizing accounts.
Once accounts are linked, review the list and ensure each is categorized correctly, such as cash, liabilities, or investments. If needed, adjust account types manually for more accurate tracking. Proper categorization helps Personal Capital calculate your net worth and visualize your financial situation more clearly.
Tracking your net worth overview.
With your accounts connected, head to the Net Worth section. Here, Personal Capital displays your total assets minus your liabilities, offering a snapshot of your financial health. The tool updates automatically as balances change, letting you watch your net worth grow or identify areas needing attention. Regularly reviewing your net worth helps you stay on track with your financial goals.